Volvelles were medieval cutting-edge information technology, the original computers that allowed users to calculate dates and positions of constellations. The most famous examples can be found in the Astronomicum Caesareum by Peter Apian, printed in 1540 and dedicated to the Archduke of Austria, Charles V. Apian was a mathematician, printer, cartographer, and later the royal astronomer. Some of the plates in his Caesareum took a month to print. Apian's view of the world was grounded on Ptolemy's planetary hypothesis. The Earth is stationary and at the center of the universe. The sun, moon, planets, and stars must travel along the most perfect path possible, a circle. Make your own volvelles out of recycled materials.